Hi, this is Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. He coming with a super cool product from Kensington.com. As always, be sure to check out the other reviews we've done on the Chris Voss Show from them. Give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification so you get all the notifications from us. This thing's pretty darn amazing. The SD5200T Thunderbolt 3 Universal Dual 4K docking station with 85 watts of power delivery. You can use this with your Windows, with your Mac devices. This thing is pretty freaking amazing. It has cross-platform compatibility, so you can work with both types of computers. Thunderbolt 3 technology and the apex of USB-C performance. Gives you lightning-fast transfer speeds of data up to 40 gigahertz per second. And it allows you to transfer a 4K movie in less than 30 seconds and connect two 4K displays with nearly 16 million more pixels than an HD TV, all while giving you power. So hubba. 85 watts of power delivery on a single Thunderbolt 3 cable to dock, and you can charge your device, keep your laptop powered up while you're working, etc., etc. Wow, you can use this with 5K or 4K for dual monitors. And wow, just amazing what you can do with this. Ultra HD 4096 times 2160 at 30 BPP at 60 hertz. You can using a DisplayPort and a Thunderbolt 3 port using a USB-C to HDMI adapter, and you'll see more pixels with more speed than ever before. The adapter, of course, is sold separately, so you can look at that on Kensington's site. USB ports, 2.1A charging port, so you can use that to charge and do everything. Daisy chaining, holy crap, you can daisy chain up to 5 of these Thunderbolt 3 devices, and using the dual Thunderbolt 3 ports as in and out. So you can, wow, you can really expand this thing. It's got a Kensington security slot, so you can lock this baby down, make sure no one steals it. It even has zero footprint mounting. There's a dock that you can take and order sold separately, a mounting plate if you will, and it will go onto the back of any Visa compatible external display. And wow, you don't have these cables in the Kensington unit sitting on your desk. And it's got the free Kensington DockWorks software, so you can always have the best connection performance and security from the dock. Really amazing work. And of course, Kensington puts out some exceptional products. We've always been impressed with them. Be sure to go to their website at kensington.com at the SD5200T Thunderbolt 3 Universal 4K docking station. Got a chance to test this baby out, and it rock and rolls, and it's just a lot of power right in this box. In fact, you can put your office supplies right on the top, which is kind of nice. I put my phone on it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.